Okay, what's going on, guys? We're back, and in this SMS phone leads video, guys, we're going to be talking about uh, another component of your SMS phone leads marketing sales system and funnel. And now that you guys understand the power and the importance of text message marketing, and actually how to actually purchase your first 1,000 postcards for as little as or right around $100, guys, let's talk about the fact that you know now that you have a product slash service that you can market to the masses, because everybody who's in business can use more leads, right? And so this is a great way for them to actually be able to get leads through text message marketing, right? So what is it that fuels your direct mail business when you start talking about postcard marketing? Leads and stamps are what's going to fuel your postcard marketing campaign, right? And so you have a actual direct mail marketing business within the SMS phone leads sales funnel, right? Now, more leads, more stamps means more eyeballs on your direct mail offer, on the postcards that you now know how that you're able to create, right? More eyeballs ultimately translates into more cash, right? So in the direct mail marketing business, right, or any business at all, it's hard, if not impossible, right, to sell a product to someone that they don't need. The key, listen to what I'm saying. The key to creating multiple streams of income is to market products, tools, and services that complement each other, right? You don't need another business opportunity, but if you possess a marketing tool or resource that can only complement the business of the work from home business arena, then guys, you can create multiple streams of income and you can tie these all together. So what I want you guys to do is hold on for 1 second and we're going to talk more about that. Okay, so I think it's safe to say that every single person that's in business for themselves, every single person in the direct mail or home-based business arena, whether it be online or offline, right, can use more leads for their business, right? Would you guys agree? So now, guys, let's talk about how to fuel your postcard marketing system, your SMS postcard marketing sales funnel, right, with leads, right, for your SMS phone lead postcards, right, and how to create an additional stream of income at the same time. My phone is going off, guys, so forgive me if you hit my phone. Now, so we're talking about leads, right? So this is what you're going to need to fill your postcard, right? Now you guys are looking at the front of my postcard. You guys have seen the back of it already, right? So let's click over here, guys, and let me show you where we can start getting leads for your actual business, okay? Now, remember, guys, we're talking about a product that you can market to your existing audience that you can continue to get paid from over and over and over again. And at the same time, you can fuel, right, your SMS phone leads postcard marketing campaign. Now, here's how this works, guys. There are 4 levels that you can actually come in on with the Impact Mailing Club. The Impact Mailing Club, right, it actually enables you to become a licensed reseller, selling leads, right? It's a lead membership program. Now, there are no recurring payments with this, but this is how it works, guys, depending on the actual package or membership that you decide to come in on. When you come in to the Impact Mailing Club, what you're going to do, you'll become a member. And based on the actual membership level, you'll receive cash and stamps, right, for the prescribed level that you came in on. Now, hypothetically, if you actually wanted to purchase leads for any business in direct mail, it doesn't have to be to mail your SMS phone lead postcards, but any direct mail business, right? You will receive, it cost you $100 to come in and 2 books of stamps. But what will happen is you will send $65 cash and 1 book of stamps to myself, $20 cash and book of stamps to my sponsor, and so on and so forth. You guys can see how it works here, right? Then you will receive an order form just like this one. And once you do, guys, you will be able to purchase leads at a wholesale price. I wish I had, let me see if I have the form in front of me. Oh, wow. Oh, do I got it? I think I do. Let's open this up, guys. You guys have to forgive me. I got a lot of papers here. But what I want you guys to understand is you will be able to purchase 1,000 leads for $150, 500 leads for $100, and 200 leads for $40 as a member. Now, what you want to do, when you start acquiring new members for your SMS phone lead system, you can present them with the Impact Mailing Club membership where they can perpetuate the growth of their business with more cash, more leads, and more stamps, if that makes sense. So if that's something that you opt to do, guys, that you choose to do, make sure that you simply click the button just below this video if you want to order your leads, right? So guys, that's what this video is all about. This is how you fuel your SMS phone leads postcard marketing campaign. And hopefully that makes sense to you. You understand that it's a great way to create another stream of income and to kick your business off at the same time. So I hope this has made sense to you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits.